Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Aviyal is a coconut-based side dish recipe which is made by many households in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. This is rich in nutrients because we use a lot of vegetables. And many of you have been requesting me to make this recipe, so here it is. I'm making it my style, so let's get started and check it out. So for making the aviyal, I have kept all the required vegetables ready here. It looks so colorful and beautiful. I will tell you what all these are. This is yam, this is carrot, this is a mango, that is country cucumber. Next is the snake gourd, raw banana, ash gourd, beans, pumpkin, drumsticks and sour mangoes. Make sure you can cut all these into long and even sized pieces. Now for making the curry, we first have to prepare the masala. To a mixer jar, add 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, 5 roughly cut green chilies, 9 to 10 shallots, half teaspoon cumin seeds and a few fresh curry leaves. Grind these ingredients without adding any water. Keep bringing the masala to the middle and grind until the mixture is fully coarsely ground without any big chunks left behind. Once done, transfer this masala to a bowl and keep it aside. I'm taking a wide kadai for this recipe because it will be easier for me to saute the vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and let it heat. Now add 1 bowl of yam pieces. Next add 1 bowl of snake gourd pieces. Now add 1 bowl of raw banana pieces, 1 bowl of ash gourd, 1 cup of beans, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of pumpkin pieces, 1 cup of the country cucumber pieces, 1 cup drumstick pieces and 1 cup of mango pieces. Mix everything gently. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the veggies again and make sure they're all coated with salt and turmeric powder evenly on all sides. Now for cooking these vegetables, add 1/4 cup of water and give it all a quick mix. Cover the kadai with a lid and cook the vegetables for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. After 10 minutes, as you can see, all these have become soft and nice. You need not overcook the veggies because they can get mashed up and the texture will be ruined. So make sure your veggies are cooked yet firm enough, just like the ones you are seeing here. At this point, you can add the ground masala and mix well. Mix this all gently again. You can check for seasoning at this point and add if you need more salt. Fresh coconut is a must for aviyal. It gives all the flavor to this dish. I'm getting a nice aroma after mixing the ground masala. Now comes the next important step. We need to add 1 cup of nicely whisked curd to the kadai. Keep the flame on low and then add the curd. Only then the veggies will not get burnt, and mix the curd along with the vegetables gently. Once you mix everything together nicely, cover the kadai with a lid and cook the curry for 5 minutes on a low flame to just let the raw smell go away. That's all, our aviyal is ready now. Now you can turn off the stove and keep this aside. Take a tempering pan, add about 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing. Now I'm adding about 6 finely chopped shallots to this. Shallots are optional. If you don't want, you don't have to add them. It's just that it adds a little extra flavor to the curry. Once the shallots are cooked a bit, add the fresh curry leaves and saute. The tempering is ready, so turn off the heat and transfer this to the aviyal. Gently mix the tempering with the curry. The aroma is amazing and the flavors are also so good. That's it. South Indian aviyal is ready to be served. You can enjoy it as is and it's extremely tasty, and I'm not at all exaggerating. A lot of people like this a bit gooey, so if you're looking for such consistency, you can just add a little bit of water to get that consistency. So here is this absolutely delicious aviyal loaded with flavor and all those vegetables. Now you can serve it with some nice hot steaming rice and with some appam or papadam by the side. Do enjoy, share it with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.